Hey everybody, it's Lori with Team Cashi. I'm here today at 7807 Rio Bella. When you walk into this just under 2,000 square foot home, you've got the guest bedroom to the left along with a brand new guest bath. You've got a third bedroom slash den over here with double French doors, wood floors. The entryway has 14-foot ceilings. It's really beautiful and very spacious feeling, even more than the square footage allows. The great room opens up into this amazing view in the back. This is the best part of the house, really. Your master is over here to the left. Kitchen is very nice. You've got 42-inch upper white cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. A nice little nook in there. It's actually good to take a quick peek at the nook because she's using that as an office space, which is really cool because a lot of people don't have a need for so many seating areas. She's got her desk set up there. You also have a bar here. You've got a dining area here. And then of course you've got dining outside, which is where everybody really wants to be whenever you're in Florida. Recently added summer kitchen with granite countertops, natural gas grill. This enclave of homes has only 86 rooftops. The fee here is $236 a month, which is amazingly low considering they do the maintenance and the gates. There is no CDD. It's coming on the market tomorrow at $699.9. Give us a call.